Oh, what's up, you guys? What's up, you guys? What's up, you guys? It's Clinton Maloba again here. Now, welcome back to this channel. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel because we bang so much information into this channel and we share everything. We don't hide anything. So you are basically welcome into this beautiful channel. So guys, I'm going to be sharing everything about NASDAQ today. I want to take this video and just clarify everything you need in order for you to trade NAS100. Because now, guys, I've seen a lot of people afraid of taking trades in NASDAQ. You know you're one of these people. You are afraid of taking trades. You're afraid of risking your money when it comes to NASDAQ. You can't find perfect entries. Every time you take an entry, it firstly goes in your opposite direction, and then it comes to blow your account before it can even go to your direction. You know, so the one thing that happens when people are trading NASDAQ, you find a perfect entry, but you are afraid to take an entry at that point, and then it first go into a direction, and you think, oh, I've lost. I should have capitalized on that trade, and you come in late, and it first go to opposite direction before it continues to your direction. Now, it always happens like that, I know, but today, guys, I want to show you how to actually do this the right way, how to actually gain confidence, and how to actually make a lot of money from trading NAS100 manually. We're not talking about any software or any system. We're talking about manual trading here. So guys, I'm going to be teaching you. Let me just take you through. Before we can even go there, feel free, guys, to follow me on Instagram. Here's my handle here. Feel free to follow me on Instagram because I share daily analysis in there, and I also do some live sessions free of charge, guys. So feel free to follow me there, as I'm going to be taking you through all the things that you are required in order to trade the financial markets profitably. Now, guys, let's go ahead and start our video in terms of NASDAQ. Let me just allow me to take this thing into this bottom corner here. Now, guys, I'm going to start from a daily time frame. Why am I starting from a daily time frame? Because according to my strategy, I need to analyze and understand the bigger picture, where the market direction is going in the bigger picture, overall direction. Now, I'm going to be using daily time frame to do that. Let me just use trend lines because I do use trend lines to understand the overall market direction. As you can see, guys, I have combined 4 points here to find the overall direction. You actually need 2. If you happen to find 4, that's perfect. That's perfect. That's good enough. As you can see, here is my first point, and then my second point that has confirmed the trend line was this one. So I only needed these two to confirm my trend line. I only needed the 2, but then I've got more than 2 here, which confirms it even further. So I've gained confidence. I've gained confidence in terms of this overall general direction. I've got a lot of confidence now before I can even place my trades when it comes to NASDAQ. But then I can see that even on the top side, we are having a beautiful trend line here, a trend line here. But then I can see that, okay, out of this trend line, this one is not following the rules. Now, what I need to do from here, I just need to adjust my trend line like this. I adjust it like this. So after adjusting it like this, I can see that, okay, I need to ignore this one because it's not corresponding with this one and this one. So I need to just follow this 2, right? I'm following this 2. And then now, as you can see, I've got my beautiful trend line there. This one is out of order because it's not following our objectives there. Now we've got this point, okay, and then we've got this point as well. We needed 2 to confirm our trend line, right? So those two, they are perfect for us right now. What we need to do now, we need to understand the current market. Where is the current market? The current market is here. The current market is here. This is where the current market is, right? This is where the current market is. So having understanding where the current market is, we need to also understand our previous price point. What happened previously? So now allow me to use the drawing. Let me just find something to draw with here. Okay, let me just find something to draw with. Can I find something to draw with here? Let me just see. Let me see if I can find it. I think it's here. Okay, there we go. Now, I'm going to be using the draw. Look at this, look at this. Look at, so I'm going to start at least from, let me start from here. The market went down, it went up, it went down, it went up to retrace. It went up to retouch our trend line to confirm it. It went down again, touch our trend line on the bottom side, and then continue going on the upside. And then what happened? The market broke here. The market broke here, and then it broke on the upside. It came back to retest a little bit. It seems to me that it's going to continue on the upside when the market opens on Monday, tomorrow, right? Remember, the forex markets, it tells you what to do. You don't tell it what to do. It doesn't matter if you expected it to go down here and then keep on continuing that break on the downside. It doesn't matter what you wanted. It does not matter what you wanted. Just follow what the market is telling you. The market is telling us that it has broken on the upside. Where did it break? It broke here. This is where it broke. This is where it broke our trend line, right? So since it broke our trend line there, we need to understand something as well here. We need to understand that the market, once it breaks the trend line, it needs to come and retest. So we've got our retest here. We received our retest here. You see, this was our retest. This was our retest. So it retested. After the retest, what happens next? The market is going to go on the upside. So we enter our trades where? Here. We enter our trades here. This is, you can enter anytime here, or you can wait for the break of this this marking zone. This marking zone. This is where you can take your trades as well. This is where you can take your trades. So it's still early to take your buy trades now going forward. So guys, this is pretty much what you can expect this week from the NASDAQ. But then going further, how do you actually spot a trade? How do you take an entry? Because now remember, you can't take trades on a bigger time frame like daily time frame. It can easily blow your account. Because now remember, you don't even see what's happening inside. So you need to go to a smaller time frame, which is what? 4-hour time frame. That's the one that I use to identify opportunities there and there. So you need to switch to what? You need to switch to a 4-hour time frame. Now, guys, remember, when you want an opportunity, you need to see what the market shows you. Don't see what the market is not showing you. Now, guys, I want to show something here. We need to see what happens before a downtrend happens. So before a downtrend happens, what is actually happening? So now let me just show you, there are two things that you can expect from the market. Let me just show you quickly. The two things that you can expect from the market. You can expect an M formation, right? Or you can expect a head and shoulder. So these two formations are the ones that you can expect before the market goes down. So those are the things that tells you that now you can enter a trade. We know that you're expecting a sale, but when do I take the sale? We will only take a sale when you see the two things. So this is my strategy. I don't take a trade unless I see the two. So I will go previously in the charts and identify where I've gotten my trades, where I can take my trades. So I need to go back in time. So as you can see, this is my shoulder. This is my head. This is my other shoulder. You see? Perfect. Now I can take a trade where I can take a trade. I can easily take a trade where I can easily take a trade here on the second shoulder. This is where I take my trade. So I would have sold with the market all the way down to this point. I would have taken a lot of money from here. Now look at this, look at this, look at this. And now I need to take another trade. So, but then I need to find another entry point. So I need to find at least, okay, I already got my what? I already got my head and shoulder. Now I need this one. I need to take a trade on that one. Now I need to identify where there is an M, something like an M. So I will see that. Do you see that? Let me just erase it and redraw it. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So I will take my trades where here, this is where I will take my trades on the second shoulder. Then I will write it down like that. So this is where I'm going to close my, sorry for that. This is where I'm going to be closing my trades because it's about to approach what? The other trend line, this trend line. This is where I close my trades. So now, guys, it's very easy like that. Now, I need to show something as well. Let me just show something as well. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful W formation. When do we find a W formation? Opposite of M is when we are about to take a buy. So this is where you take your buy and then write it on the upside. You take your buy there easily, guys. So you take the opposite of an M formation is a W formation, meaning that now we are buying, we're no longer selling. So we are looking for buy opportunities. Let's look at another opportunity to buy. Look at this. I know it's a little bit dirty, but you can see. Look at that. It's the opposite of a head and shoulder. So you take our buys here, then you write it on the upside. You write it on the upside. That's how you do it. You write it on the upside. So guys, this is basically how it is. Now let's look at the current price. Every time, guys, remember, I've now showed you how to identify trades. There are 4 things: an M, head and shoulder, a W, and an inverted head and shoulder. You see, these two, let me just show you. These two, they are for they happen before a downtrend forms. These two, they happen before an uptrend forms. You see, I hope that you've taken that down. I hope you've taken that down. Now I want to show you other forms of taking a trade, other forms. Let me just show you. We can have the market like this. I will show you what this means. I'll show you what this means. So we call them a consolidation trend or a sideways trend. Now these 2 consolidation trends, I want to show you, they cannot be as perfect as 2 lines straight like that. They can slide like this. They can be a slide like this or a slide like this, but then you need to understand the logic behind it. Now look at this, look at this, look at this. I'm gonna use a drawing. Let me just find the drawing. Good. The market will be playing inside, right? It will be playing inside. Now, when it plays inside like this, when it breaks, okay, when it, yeah. All right, let me just find something else. It plays inside like this. As it plays inside, when it breaks on the upside, it needs to come and retest, then go buy, like that. Now, this is another one. It plays inside like this. It plays inside like this. When it breaks on the downside, it needs to come and retest and shoot it downwards. That's how it is, guys. So these are the 2 things, the other 2 entry points where if you can't use these ones and these ones, you need to wait for this one or this one. So in this case here, we've got this one. It broke on the upside. It broke on the upside and come and retest and shoot on the upside. You see? So that's how it is, guys. That means this week, NASDAQ is going to continue going on the upside. Trust me, it's going to happen. It's going to happen. You just need to find the entry point. Where do you take a trade? You take a trade after the retest. You take a trade after your retest. That's how it is. You take a trade after your retest. So guys, I know that my chart is so much dirty, but then I hope that the information behind it was useful. It was useful. Now, guys, I really appreciate you having reached this far. Feel free to subscribe, guys, on the bottom right corner. Feel free to subscribe and so that you can get more updates when I upload this kind of videos, because more are still coming, guys. I'm gonna be next time I'm sharing how to spot a consistent trade on NASDAQ, how to spot consistent trades. So I understand that no one wants to lose. No one wants to lose. So how to decrease that losing chance of you trading NASDAQ. So you decrease that losing chance so you have more winning trades. So it's easy like that, guys. I hope that this makes sense. Feel free to subscribe. Go ahead and smash that like button as well, because it helps to help the channel reach out to more people around the world so that they can get this information. So because the more we win, the more the market will follow us. Remember, these guys are controlling the market using money. So if we retail traders are on the right side as well, or are on one side as well, we are able to control the forex market. So guys, let's click that like button as much as we can, because now we need to make sure that this video reaches more people so that we can be on the same side as retail traders. Guys, I appreciate you having reached this far. I'm gonna be dropping more videos going forward. So guys, feel free to follow me on Instagram, as I've shared my link. And also, if you want to use the broker that I'm using, the link is down below, and my Instagram handle is also down below. And also my WhatsApp number is also down below. So feel free to get in contact with me, guys. Meet you on the other side, and take care for now.